Hello, 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 Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today, I'm here with some Happy Mail. And if I'm not mistaken, it's from Miss Stephanie, who is threading glue here on YouTube. And it is some Bible markers. So, Stephanie, I want to thank you for this. It is very, very appreciated. And these won't harm my Bible for my Bible studies. So, again, Miss Stephanie, thank you very, very much. I'm sorry my camera is upside down, y'all. I haven't figured out how to flip it over. But thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, hit that big red subscribe button and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. So I'm going to say this in closing. Please be blessed, be kind, be crafty, be safe, and most of all, be positive. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.